Who turned out the fluffing lights? And this is all in real time, so that's why I'm a little cook good and look good. It's your girl Queemie Jones, and this is Cook Good and Look Good Chronicles. Bear with me, y'all, because it's been a long week. It's only Thursday, though. It's not even at the end. Look, y'all. I'm going to tell you that the healing part of this journey is no joke. You have to be with it, okay? I have no issue saying that I do the most. I do the most. My issue is that sometimes I battle the fact that I don't have a timer on when this lovely illness or condition or issues of mine will flare. I've got a roundabout sense that something gonna happen to me, but I just call that paranoia after a while. I think when you are blessed, sometimes too much is given, much is taken or something. So, let me tell you what happened. I passed out, I want to say, Monday or Tuesday, a couple times back to back, but I was home and I was safe. And I don't think much of those things because I don't know. Going to the hospital for this, I want to have a good medical team. I'm not going to lie. I live in the Boston area, and I know this is going to take time, patience, and guap. Well, maybe it won't take guap, but I want a lot of these people to actually know how to diagnose me, what to do with me, and how to do me well if these conditions, which are sometimes, like with the conversion disorder, that shit's supposed to be out of date. That's not even supposed to be called conversion disorder no more. It's called functional neurological disorder. So that's outdated. And my neurologist just retired. So I have to go and be honest. I don't want nobody just finicking around with my brain, y'all. They be putting you on medications and you be like, who is Qudsiyah? Who is she? Where the fuck did she go? How did that happen to her? She ain't ever been the same since 2022. Like, I don't want that to ever happen to me. So I don't want to be on no tester shit. And a lot of that stuff be on some tester shit when you on some blackness. And I'm black. I'm 90% black. So I can give you all this time and say, oh, I don't want to. Excuse me, I'm tripping out again. But I'm going to make this video happen. Anyway. I don't want to be on no trooper test monkey shit. I'm sorry. I've been there, done that. All jokes aside, no. And I want to know my medical team and have a good understanding of how I can get my life together. But until then, what I do for myself mentally and spiritually is the following. Yes, I passed out Tuesday. Then I passed out on, what was it, yesterday? Yeah, I passed out yesterday on the cement. Right when I was calling my employer, like, I think I need an hour. I don't really feel the best. And then that really was like, no, you need a minute because you're going to pass the fuck out. And I was like, what? So I'm talking to my employer, and all I remember is talking to my employer, and then 9. A little spacey, but this is my life. In the meantime, when I say 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, what I did forward last month is I went and I got called from my wonderful culinary training program to come and assist. They called me just to help them with some honest decision making, and I was honored, and I didn't even think I could do that, but it was just because I was a very good student and I'm a good person, so that was a blessing. Then I got my LLC. Well, you know how it go. 2 step forward, 2 step back. So in my mind, how I settled the debts of time is that I get sick sometimes when I'm doing such good things. I don't discredit God in the blessings. I just know that there's balances that have to happen, for lack of better words. So I do stuff like drink some tea, talk to myself, and try to get my wits back together. You know what I'm saying? And let me just say, it is very, very interesting getting my wits back together, because I be like, should I go back out there and do it? I'll be like double dutching, like, should I jump in now? No. Don't do it now. No. One more time. It's near. And then sometimes I get it, and then sometimes I mess up the ropes. And that's just what I be going through, y'all. Because the blessings I be getting just be, unbeknownst to me, great, grand, amazing. Nothing better. You feel me? Nothing like it. Straight from God. And then other stuff be like, it literally be like the devil, like, I'm a bitch slap you. Who said that? Bow! Wow. Because I'm not going to keep on telling myself that because I'm doing good for myself, because I'm doing exactly what I want for myself, that I'm the one who's making myself sick. Bitch, that's like saying when you smile, you disrupted the earth. What? So I don't have time for such negatory shit like that. You feel me? Because I'm definitely phenomenal, and I'm a phenomenal phenomenon. So at the end of the day, I guess once again, too much is given, much is taken. And I'm telling you guys, I know that this is an evolution. Not only did that happen, my podcast, Mary Jane and Munchie, is doing it extremely well. Like, extremely well. Like, for real. Like, I can go analytic wise and see exactly who's listening to our podcast. That's an honor. I'm actually producing and editing an up and coming podcast, and that just makes sure that everybody around me getting it, and I'm getting it. So it's buku that's to be made for all. So when you be doing such great things like that, I think sometimes it just be like, bow, what was that? That's what that shit is, that bullshit, bow right in your face. But I don't really care about that once again, because obviously I'm here for a reason. You feel me? And I can say it again, and I will. It's to cook good and look good. But I knew that doing this level of work was going to be something on the body, something on the brain, because I can never seem to really do nothing that without sparking something up somewhere. Breathing be hard sometimes. So why would it not be hard sitting down doing paperwork? Why would it not be hard sitting down doing freaking knitting? Why would it not be hard when I'm standing up talking and speaking up for myself? You know what I'm saying? It doesn't seem like life's meant to get easier. It seems like life is supposed to get better understanding. You feel me? Cause some shit just don't smooth make sense why it be happening, but that's life for you. You gotta understand what you gonna do with that though. How are you gonna get through it? You feel me? How? How, Sway? How? And people might be like, so how you be a chef doing all this? Well, again, the healing process requires me to talk to myself, me to pray, me to have great herbs. I drink a lot of water. When I say a lot of water, 2 to 4 quarts of water a day, okay? And I take a lot of time to breathe and meditate. You know, I don't have no shame in my game, okay? Whether it be a positive or a negative that I'm holistic, I don't care because it works for me. Because guess what? I know what it's like to be on the ground right there. I passed out there. I passed out over here. I passed out here. You feel me? It doesn't matter. You don't have to understand what it is that I sacrifice to be a positive person. I know I'm not on crack though. You feel me? I just teach people to cook good and look good. And I'm going to keep on doing positive, constructive, hippy dippy stuff so I can be able to get to my passion. And once again, my friend, it's about the James Beard EGOT Nobel Peace Prize. I'm doing this for a reason. I'm being delusional for a reason. So I can get to one of them motherfucking dreams. You feel me? Because it stemmed off of the things that I actually could do. Cook good and look good. I'm in this shit hard. And I will never disregard the positivity and the loyalty and the, foundation that I have. I'm grateful. And I know you're like, what is this video truly about? Well, I had to show you I be tripping sometimes and how I get through that. And I don't know if my day gonna be better after this. I don't know if I'm gonna pass out again today. But I know I'm going to be able to, again, do something productive to touch somebody who's going in or has had or doesn't know what to do in situations like teas. You know what I'm drinking right now? I'm going to tell you right quick. I'm drinking 1 bag of Kitchen Tamer, 1 bag of lemon ginseng, and 1 bag of chamomile. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I need to calm down while wake a little bit up, while relax my muscles, okay? I do that because I actually have a doctor's appointment, a physical therapy appointment, which I can tell you about my physical journey and what my body's physically going through. But when's enough for one video? Ask yourself, did you make it to the end, my friend? All that is because I know what I need to do to prosper, regardless of how bad I am having a moment. No matter if I'm having an episode or if I'm passing out, I'm gonna tell y'all. And I keep on showing this good hand because the dip nail situation ain't something I'm gonna do again. But anyway, this hand look great still. This hand disintegrated. That was even before I put the acetone on it. I don't even know what happened. But anyway, all that because I want to journey this and I want to touch somebody. So I'm praying that this clicked in for somebody. It's your girl, Queemie Jones. Remember that your passion is what got you here. So we on some type of wavelength, y'all. Bye.